back to Study at Ease channel. In this video, we will look at the element from 21 to 30. For the previous elements, click on the link given below in the description box. So let's begin with the first element, Scandium. Here the Scandium's atomic number is 21 with the peg word net. Here the net is the net cafe, the browsing center. And the mnemonic for the element Scandium is scan, the QR code which you scan. Now imagine you're going to a browsing center, the net cafe, where you got to scan some QR code. So from this you can easily come up with the element Scandium. The next element, titanium with atomic number 22. Here the peg word is none, and the mnemonic for the element titanium is a Titanic ship. Now the story over here is, imagine a nun is traveling in a Titanic ship, and the screenplay which you saw in the Titanic movie, the ship got sunk. The nun died and she became as a ghost wandering in the sea. So from this story you can easily come up with the element. With nun and Titanic, the element titanium comes to your mind. Vanadium with atomic number 23. Here the peg word is neem, and the mnemonic for the element vanadium is van. Now imagine the story as like a van is standing in the same place for more than 1000 of years, and due to the formation of soil above it, a neem tree started growing above the van. The story is simple. A van is standing in the same place and a tree started growing above it. So from this whole picture with the word neem and van, you can easily come up with the element vanadium. The next element, chromium with atomic number 24. Here the peg word is Nehru. Our Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru is having a crow in his hand. Here the word crow is mnemonic for the element chromium. Now Nehru is having a crow in his hand. From this crow you can easily come up with the element chromium. Just a simple note point here. The word Nehru, the peg letters are N and R for the element atomic number 24. Manganese with atomic number 25. Here the peg word is nail, which you use to pierce it in the wall, and the mnemonic for the element manganese is mango. Now imagine you pierce a mango, a juicy mango, in the wall using a nail. The story is simple. You pierce a mango with a nail on the wall. From the word mango, you can easily come up with the element manganese. Iron with atomic number 26. Here the peg word is nacho, the nacho chips which we all eat. Here N is for the number 2 and CH is for the number 6. Since the nacho is not in the uniform shape, we use an iron box to iron it. Here the word iron, IORN, is the mnemonic for the element iron element. Cobalt with atomic number 27. Here the peg word is neck, the human's female's neck, and the mnemonic for the element cobalt is the bolt, the tool which we all use. The story here is a female is wearing a bolt in her neck as a part of fashion following with the new trend. The story is simple. A female is wearing a bolt in her neck. From this word bolt, you can easily come up with the element cobalt. Here you might wonder how we hook up with the element cobalt. When someone asks you what is the element of atomic number 27, first you should look at the numbers. 27. Here 2 is for the letter N and 7 is for the letter K. With N and K you should remember the word neck, and as a part of neck the female is wearing a bolt in her neck. From the word bolt you can easily come up with the element cobalt. Nickel with atomic number 28. Here the peg word is knife. Here you must not confuse with the spelling of knife, KNIFE. For the letters of peg word you should consider only N and F. N is for 2 and F is for 8. The mnemonic for the element nickel is the Nike shoes or the Nike sneakers which we all wear. The story over here is simple. You, being crazy, use a knife to tear the Nike sneakers apart. So from the word Nike, you can easily come up with the element nickel. Copper with atomic number 29. Here the peg word is nip. The writing pen's pointed nip, and the mnemonic for the element copper is cop. The pull is cop. And the story over here is a funny cop, instead of having a gun, he uses a pen's nib to point at a criminal, the deadly criminal, and the criminal laughs at him. So from here, the word cop, you can easily come up with the element copper. So finally, we come up with the last element of this video, zinc with atomic number 30. Here, the peg word for the element 30 is mouse. M is for 3 and S is for 0. And mnemonic for the element zinc is ink. Earlier, we would have seen people using feathers as a writing pen, but we imagine differently. We might imagine that people use mouse tail as a writing pen by dipping it in the ink. So from the word ink, you can easily come up with the element zinc. So all these elements which we have seen till now from the elements atomic number 21 to 30 come up with the 3D series which are so important in 12th chapter coordination compounds. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our video and click on the bell icon so that you get notified whenever we upload the video. Thank you.